Hello, my name is Desiree Jordan. I make curtains and swags, but I will be concentrating on just swags for those who want to learn how to do it. On the 14th to the 16th of January next year, I am having a workshop. So please come along. I've only got limited seats, only for 6. You've seen my workplace. So now, click on the link and get yourself here. And let's have some fun making these swags. Limited seat, so please click early. Like, you will be learning how to work out the calculation for your swags. You'll be learning how to cut it out, and you will be making it up. So please come along. Thank you for watching.